Hey, what's up everyone? It's Carmen and welcome to Raise You Up, the channel dedicated to raising you up. Whether you're looking for motivation, positivity, or practical advice to reach your full potential, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving into a topic that can hugely impact your happiness and well-being, finding the perfect place to live. So if you're ready to discover the secrets to finding your ideal location, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's get started. All right, first things first. Before you start browsing listings, we need to get real about your lifestyle. Are you a social butterfly who thrives in a bustling city, or a homebody craving a cozy cabin or cottage? Think about your daily routines, hobbies, and what makes you feel alive. Do you prioritize access to nature, a thriving art scene, or proximity to top-notch schools? Understanding your lifestyle needs is the foundation for finding a place that feels like home. Now, let's talk about your career. Financial security and career fulfillment play a major role in our happiness. Research the job market in your field. Are there ample opportunities for growth, or is the competition fierce? Don't forget about remote work possibilities. In today's digital age, many professionals can work from anywhere, allowing you to prioritize lifestyle factors without being limited by a physical office location. Chapter 3, Cost of Living. Make sure your bank account is happy too. The cost of living can vary drastically from one city to the next, and even between neighborhoods. Before you fall in love with a place based on pictures, do your research. Look into average rent or home prices, transportation costs, and the overall cost of goods and services. Finding a place where you can live comfortably within your means is essential for financial freedom and peace of mind. Chapter 4, Community and Culture. Find your tribe. Finding a place where you can be yourself, connect with like-minded people, and feel a sense of belonging is crucial. Do you thrive in a diverse environment? Are you drawn to a strong sense of community and local events? Research local community groups, events, and activities that resonate with you. Explore different neighborhoods, visit local coffee shops, and strike up conversations with residents to get a feel for the place. Chapter 5, Visit and Experience. Time for a field trip. Pictures and online research can only tell you so much. To truly understand if a place is right for you, there's no substitute for experiencing it firsthand. If you're seriously considering relocating, plan a visit. Spend a few days exploring your potential new home. Walk the streets, check out local businesses, and soak up the atmosphere. Trust your gut instincts. This is a big decision, and it's worth investing the time and resources to make sure you're making the right choice. So, there you have it. 5 key steps to help you discover your perfect place to live. Finding the right location is a deeply personal journey. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below with your biggest takeaways, and subscribe to Raise You Up for more videos to help you live your best life. Now go out there, explore your options, and create a life you love in a place that feels like home.